Kurmavathara, the second incarnation of Lord Vishnu, and the Devonian Extinction, a cosmic symphony. Timelines. The late Devonian Extinction occurred around approximately 370 million years ago. In cosmic chronology, this aligns with the 13th Chaturyuga of the Chakshusha Manvantara. Shall we go back to time long before memory? When the cosmos was still finding its balance, Lord Vishnu, the preserver, took his second divine form. He appeared as Kurma, the mighty cosmic tortoise. During this period, the Bhumandala or the earth drifted between order and chaos. The Devas or gods had lost their strength because of sage Durvasa's curse, and the Asuras or demons threatened to tip the balance of creation. The Devas, desperate and weakened, approached Lord Vishnu for guidance. Vishnu advised them to churn Ksheerasagara, ocean of milk, and obtain Amrita, the nectar that gives immortality. Both Devas and the Asuras agreed to churn the cosmic ocean. Mount Mandara was chosen as the churning rod. Vasuki, the giant serpent, became the rope. As the churning began, the Samudra Manthana, mountain slipped as it was too heavy for the turbulent waters. Then Lord Vishnu assumed the form of Kurma, a cosmic tortoise, and bore the mountain on his broad back. His shell became the axis of transformation. The churning began anew. As the Devas and Asuras churned, a terrifying substance surfaced first, the deadliest poison, Halahala. Its fumes alone could destroy creation. Even the gods were powerless before it. Panic spread across heaven and earth. Creation trembled. None could contain it. Lord Shiva agreed to consume the poison Halahala to save creation from ruin. As he held the venom in his throat, his wife goddess Parvati gently pressed his neck to stop it from spreading through his body. The poison did not harm him, but it turned his throat deep blue. Shiva was then called as Nilakanta. Samudra Manthana continued, and 14 divine treasures or Chaturdasha Ratnani emerged before Dhanvantri came with a pot of Amritam. To prevent the Asuras from gaining immortality, Lord Vishnu transformed himself into a celestial fairy called as Mohini. Mohini then served Amritam to only Devas, deceiving Asuras, thereby restoring cosmic balance. In the scrolls of science, the Devonian was no less dramatic. It was the age of fishes, oceans bursting with armored placoderms, sharks, and lobe-finned fishes. Coral reefs reached their peak. Plants colonized the land. Insects took flight. Vertebrates developed primitive lungs and limbs. Life stood on the brink of a new domain. But then came the disruption. Devonian extinction. Silencing of the seas. The late Devonian extinction unfolded. Mass die-offs triggered by oxygen-depleted seas, climate shifts, and collapsing ecosystems. Shallow marine life was devastated. Coral reefs vanished. Only the adaptable survived. Yet from this turmoil, life pivoted. Lobe-finned fishes evolved into tetrapods. Limbs replaced fins. Gills gave way to lungs. Vertebrates crawled from water to land. Is it a coincidence or a cosmic poetry? Both Puranas and science share the tortoise as their symbol of crossing. In the Puranas, Kurma holds the weight of transformation. In biology, the tortoise stands at the edge of two worlds, water and land. The tortoise, both in Puranas and biology, is an embodiment of transition from sea to land, from fluidity to structure, and from chaos to continuity. From those brave first walkers came amphibians, reptiles, mammals, and humans. All owed their existence to that moment of transition, to the stability beneath the storm. One truth and two languages. One lives in the rhythm of ancient mantras, narrating Kurma as a divine tortoise bearing the weight of transformation. The other uncovers the fossils of Tiktaalik, Ichthyostega, and early tetrapods, the first vertebrates to walk on land. Their paths converge upon a shared revelation. Both whisper the same truth. References. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more videos.